Hi guys and welcome back. In this quick video, you will learn how to hide mouse cursor in Camtasia Studio 9. Make sure to check out the description for some useful free resources that you can use for your video editing. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know when the new tutorial is out. Okay, thanks and let's go. To hide cursor, make sure that you have your screen recorded in a trec format, which is a native Camtasia screen recording format. Otherwise, if you import a video in a different format, you won't be able to do this. Go to cursor effects and be sure you have video clip selected, otherwise you won't be able to see the properties panel, which is important. Okay, you now have these visual and cursor properties over here. Go to cursor properties, you can see these scale and opacity options. You can increase or decrease cursor size with scale slider or completely remove it by setting opacity to 0, all the way to the left. And this is it, how to hide or remove cursor in Camtasia. Thanks for watching and see you in some other video. Bye bye!